How to change YouTube short recommendations. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change YouTube short recommendations. Start by opening up the YouTube application on your device. Tap on the U icon to access your personalized settings. Now, tap on the settings icon. Next, you will see a list of options. Look for the one that says Manage All History and tap on it. Inside the Manage All History section, you will find various types of history, such as Watch History and Search History. Once you're in the Watch History section, you will see an option to delete your history. Tap on the Delete button. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Tap on Delete All Time to delete your entire watch history. Another confirmation message will pop up. Tap on Delete to proceed with the deletion. Finally, tap on OK to confirm that you want to delete your watch history. Now go back to the main YouTube screen. Look for the Shorts section, which features short videos. Tap on it to explore YouTube Shorts. Your YouTube Shorts recommendations should now be refreshed and adjusted based on your updated watch history. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.